Alright guys, we're back. We're back with the OMGUSD, OMG. You know, we're following this one for quite some time, very closely. And I think what's going on right now is remarkably interesting, guys. We were on the upside here. I had a bullish position. I got out. I got out at 93.54 completely. I actually got out by about 70% at 73.36. That was my primary price target. But I wanted to squeeze that move all the way to the previous high, so I kept about 30%. When price was reaching that previous high, 93.50, I got out. And I actually specifically said that I was going to stay on the sideline for a while because I want to see whether price is serious enough to break through, to break out completely, because that's, this black system here, this black setup, actually represents the short-term cycle, which was trading sideways. Ever since December 2018, it was trading sideways. Now, this sideways movement can actually represent, when we talk about the big picture, of course, can actually represent the bottoming out process. Bottoming out of the market, well, in this case, the OMG, from the large scale, right, from the large movement. So and if price was able to break out, and we're mostly referring to the top resistance here, 2.12, that could mean that indeed we're looking at a genuine full-fledged upside reversal, at least a serious significant upside correction. Now when I say upside correction, I'm talking about the whole trend. Let's have a look at that. Right, so the whole trend, right, this monstrous move coming from basically ever since April, roughly March even, 2018, price was, I can only describe this as a hard landing, right, a massive downside move, just a technical downside correction, I should say just the minimum technical downside correction for this whole move. We easily could take you to 5.6. That's the first Fibonacci correction level, right? The 23.6. So that's the very minimum. I'm not even suggesting a bull market. I'm just talking about a technical upside correction. So, like I said, when you gauge the short-term cycle, you can see that we may actually be breaking out. But I did specifically mention the fact that until we can make sure that price is breaking out, I will still stay on the sideline. Now, we can see what's going on, right? We can see what's going on here for the past 3 days. It's actually fascinating. First, a couple of days ago, price broke for the first time that 2.12. Now, this is, bear in mind, this is just a daily close, right? It's just kind of a preliminary indication. Yesterday, it managed to come back in again, right? It managed to close back below, but take a look at this stunning reaction on the 200-day moving average, which just appear out of nowhere, just kind of drops from above, from the sky, but take a look at this impact it has. We can see the reaction we had here 3 days ago. Then, of course, the breakout, that was 2 days ago. Yesterday, just a huge spike on that 200-day moving average, and today price, well, once again on the upside, breaking away. However, let's just just to remind you, until we have a weekly close above that 2.12, we can know with high confidence that this is indeed a genuine breakout, because if we'll take it to the weekly chart, let's do that for a sec. So you can see the potential for price to actually come off a little bit and by the end of the week close right below, leaving a spike here. That's actually going to be pretty sinister. It's going to suggest that we're going to have a serious downside reversal for another downside leg that could take us all the way to 1.29, guys. That's probably about 50% drop, right? About probably 40% drop. Huge drop, right? So the potential is there, no doubt. But if price can make it and break above 2.12 here with a weekly confirmation, then I just showed you the potential here, guys, all the way to 5.6. that's more than 100%. I think it's about 150% of potential return. Huge, right? Interesting stuff. So let's just follow up on this one closely as we did so far. And when I pull the trigger again to reestablish a bullish position, I will definitely come back here and keep you posted. That's about that for today, guys. Till next time, be well.